guys, Mystery Wheel Gunner back here with you again at the range, having fun as always, and doing a little more accuracy testing. This time I brought out the 627 V-Comp and also the Ruger Custom Shop Super GP100. Both are in a 357 Magnum. Alright, let's get started. The V-Comp is up first using a custom hand load with a 158 grain Hornady XTP bullet. I have a chronoed muzzle velocity of 1,192 feet per second, resulting in 498 foot-pounds of energy. All right, let's get to the shooting. All right, here is the target from that first string for the V-Comp. Time to measure. Yes, still have the ghetto calipers. Still haven't found that battery door. Not that I've been trying real hard. Okay, so 1.576. Not too bad, but I went ahead and gave it another try. Okay, here's the target from that second string, and wow, look at this. This is from 50 yards. Yeah, I'm shooting off a rest, but still, 50 yards is 50 yards from a pistol. Yeah, 0.511. Basically a half-inch group at 50 yards with the V-Comp. I am definitely happy. Alright, next up is the Ruger Custom Shop Super GP100 5.5-inch barrel. Exact same loading, so 158 grain Hornady XTP bullet. 1,275 feet per second this time. So a significant, a notable jump in velocity. The Super GP100 has, it's only a half-inch longer barrel, 5.5-inch barrel on the Super GP100 versus a 5-inch barrel on the 627 V-Comp. I don't think that half-inch barrel length is making that much of a difference. I think the V-Comp's chamber throats might be a little tighter, or the V-Comp's bore might be a little tighter. This is not uncommon. You know, from revolver to revolver, you're going to have different chamber throats, and different bore tightness. It is what it is. Even revolvers from the exact same family line, the exact same model line, with the exact same barrel length, can have varying velocities. Again, it's going to be due to differences in the rifling, the bore, and the cylinder throats. All right, well, all that being said, let's get to the shooting. Okay, a little explanation here on the target. The white piece of paper is actually not what I'm aiming at. It's just there to help me. It's like an aiming helper. My eyesight isn't as good as it used to be. Glasses help, of course, but I'll take all the help I can get. It's just a place to, or it's just something to provide some contrast for me, and a place for me to bracket the iron sights. The discoloration of the target, because I know in some parts it looks discolored and almost looks like it's already been shot at. The cardboard backer here is shot all to you know what. So basically there's tons of sunlight going through the cardboard and illuminating parts of the paper target. So the parts where it looks discolored or even looks like it's already been shot at, that's just the light making it look like that. Anyway, on to the shooting. Okay, an interesting result here. Do you see how one of the holes, the one on the left, is a little more oblong than the one on the right? Yep, that's because 2 bullets went through that same hole, the one on the left. Yeah. But okay, enough of me gloating about my once in a lifetime feat of marksmanship. Let's measure this. Okay, .599. Not too bad. 25 yards, open sights. Pretty good grouping for the Super GP100. And this just goes to show that, the sleeve and shroud barrel, it's not necessarily a bad thing. Yes, in some ways it does reduce manufacturing costs, but it also produces a tension barrel. Tension barrels are inherently very, very accurate, as shown here. Now, I was going to do another string with the Super GP100. Unfortunately, the range got real busy real quick. A whole bunch of people turned out all at once. Understandable. It was a very nice day when I was doing the testing for the Super GP100. So naturally, I pulled my camera off the range so that the others can start shooting without my crap in the way. But in the future, I'll do more strings with the Super GP100. That being said, I think this is a fair indication of what the Super GP100 can do. I don't think this is a fluke at all. But again, in later videos, I'll do more testing. And that about wraps it up. Accuracy testing on 2 really awesome 8-shot 357 Magnum revolvers, the 627 V-Comp and the Super GP100. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.